Hey lawyers, Google is making a significant change on July 1st, and it's going to have a big impact on your website unless you do this one thing first. I'm Alan Rodriguez. I'm the founder of law innovation agency 1400, and I've been helping the nation's leading law firms and legal tech companies grow for over 2 decades. So, what does that change? What's happening? If you have a website, chances are you have Google Analytics installed. And what Google Analytics does is it allows marketers and other technical people who are managing your website determine what users enjoy about your website, or how did they find your website, or what links do they click on your website. All this data is very helpful for your marketing efforts, for improving the user experience, and making sure that your firm is always growing. So what's happening? Well, Google is eliminating what's called Universal Analytics, and they're upgrading their technology to GA4. After July 1st, if you have not upgraded your analytics tags from Universal Analytics to GA4, all that data that your marketers enjoy reviewing and using to optimize your website is going to go away. Imagine like graphs that are going up and down, almost like a heartbeat in an ICU monitor, to like a flat line. That's essentially what's going to happen. So how do you fix it? Well, you simply need to migrate your data from Universal Analytics over to GA4. There's a certain protocol to do that. We can help you with that over at 1400. Your marketing team can likely help you with that, but make sure somebody's doing it for your website. Otherwise, all that data that you need to drive effective marketing is going to go away. So follow us or visit us at 1400.com for more tips like these. And I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll be seeing you soon.